What's up, guys? CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to talk about a free traffic method I've been using to promote a BizOps offer on Maxbounty called I Could Use a Job Staffing.com. I'm going to show you how to do solo HTML email marketing today with this technique. So this is a job posting that I posted in Craigslist, and I posted in gigs in labor, and I pretty much put in the heading full-time work needed, felons welcome. And in the post, I told them to send me their resume to apply. And so after they send me their resume, and before you say anything about Craigslist, the trick is to obtain their email address. Obtain their email address and send them an email from another completely different email as a completely different person. So that way they can't track where your traffic source is coming from. It looks like a legitimate solo HTML email submit. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do this right now. It's a quick, simple process, and it's an easy, fast method where you can generate some income on a daily basis. So I have my HTML already set up. I have my return email already set up. I'm just going to copy and paste it one time from right here. I put immediate job openings, please apply now, 15 an hour, and the subject. We make the email BBC so that way they can't see all of the emails that you forwarded to. And all I'm going to do is come here to each email, open up the resume, highlight, copy, paste. Exit out of that one. And remember, guys, free traffic sources aren't the easiest. It does take a lot of work. It is very tedious, but you have to understand um, great things come with patience. So the more you do this and the more you practice it, the more easier it'll become for you. I had to figure out various methods and ways since I had a low budget as well. Didn't really have any money to spend on ads, or didn't really want to waste money on spending on ads because I didn't know how to get my targeting right at the time. But like I said, it's just a step in the process. So I'm going to get a few more emails just to give you an example. Some of these guys didn't respond in the proper way with their resume, but that's okay. We'll go from here. Okay, so I'm going to put a few more emails in here, and then we'll send the email off, and I'll show you also how I go about sending the HTML email. And this technique is very good also because it will help you build your email list over, so you can constantly email these people with different offers, different BizOps opportunities, anything to get your offer seen and put in front of them. You can simply just make a new email account and email these people. And so that's all the emails I'm going to use right now because I'm just trying to use this video for an example. I'm not really trying to go into full detail right now. I don't want to make this video too long. But after I get my emails and they've been BCC'd in, I have my subject in the my heading in the subject. I have a Google Chrome extension that I use to input my solo HTMLs, which is one click of a button, so I don't have to waste time trying to do any coding. So if you don't know how to code or anything, this is a good piece of software for you to be able to promote your Maxbounty CPA offers by simply copying and pasting your solo HTML code, putting it in the software, and then this little button right here will pop up, and you just click this button right here, and there it is. Your solo HTML is ready to go. And pretty much, like I said, this is a biz ops opportunity in Maxbounty for I could use a job.com. It's a job search engine site that'll help people find a job. And so pretty much, I kind of just made a post in Craigslist for people that are actually looking for a job, and all I'm doing is catering to their pain. Online marketing is kind of like a psychological thing. You kind of got to cater to people's pain. What do they need? Because people have two things in life. They have needs and wants. If they want something, they don't necessarily have to have it. But if they need something, they're more likely to be substantial to do what you want so you can be able to get the conversions you want. So, like I said, I found a pain that somebody needs, and I have an offer that can fit their pain, and I pretty much just direct them to that offer. I'm the middleman in the situation. I'm just giving them a piece of information, and they have a potential chance to go find a job on this site. So like I said, I just put my solo HTML in this software. It pulls up the image, everything. This is all clickable, and I click send. I did a post earlier, but so once you get everything together and you get everything situated, you have your text together and everything, you click send and you send it off, and that's it. I hope this content was informative for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like this video if you found this content informative, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need any help. I will be having a video on the full traffic method and how to use this method at a later date. I'll be posting it. Be sure to look out for that if there's not already a link below in the video. Thank you for your time. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. I'm out.